Hello, welcome to Keep Toy. This is Andy. Okay, so let's see what toy we have today. The first toy is ta-da-da-da! It's a toilet. It says it's unintentional. Sorry, I'm unintentional. Okay, let's see. I can see some stools here. Oh, okay. Let's see what's this. Oh, yeah, we can put some water here. Okay. We got another one with some water. Okay, let's see what can. Oh. Okay, that's a toilet. Yeah, it's a toilet. Let's see what's inside. Okay. It's a splashing toilet. Yeah, very funny and surprising. Okay, that's the second toy we have today. What is it? Oh, Tumblers. That's Doraemon. And blue one, the red one. Okay, let's see what's inside.
Ой, в общем, в любой непонятной ситуации я всегда делаю пап. Зачем-то. Папи, 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 бойс, 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 папи.
Okay, that's all for today. So thank you for watching this video. If you like our toys or want to know more things about toys, please follow us. See you next time.